Good morning. Welcome to Occam's Razor Gardening, Cooking, and Canning, where we do an update on the growth of the garden every day throughout this year of 2025. If you're new to the channel, please give us a like. Please subscribe. If you're on Rumble, please follow. Well, I was surprised yesterday. I actually found a couple of raspberries that were ripe, so I ate them. They were growing closer to the compost pile on some of the older vines. I was surprised to see their bright red flesh taunting me, enticing me to eat them, just like this one here. Oh yeah. Not enough to pick off this bush. When there's only one, I guess I'll have that for breakfast. Oh, delicious. All those antioxidants. Well, potatoes in a compost pile. It's the first site we visit after the raspberry bush every morning. I'm wondering how well they're going to turn out with all the insects in there. Will they be ridden with holes as part of the compost pile process, or will they be healthy and ready to eat? This is the first new potatoes of the year. I don't know. We'll all have to wait to find out. And our pepper plant, the midget, continues to not flower. We have some flowers on this. Doesn't feel like we got rain last night. Risk of thunderstorms. On and off, on and off. I'm looking at the soil. I don't think we got rain. We don't. Well, I had a turmeric mixture yesterday, and I did spray at the bottom of the leaves. I was going to wait until the storms passed by to do the top. Well, it doesn't look like we're going to get the rain. I'm going to have to water the garden this morning. Look how dry. Look. These are all dry now. Okay, well, peppers, peppers, peppers. A lot of peppers. We'll need them for canning. And we'll go down the tiger lily row. All the way to the potato patch. And their soil there is getting dry as well. We need to water that. All right, well, let's make our rounds. No signs of disease. Serious disease anyway. And we can see our peas are starting to die off at the bottom, as happens. Once they reach the end of their growth cycle, you start picking the peas. Once the peas start to be ready for pickings, well, that's the signal to the plant, and the plant stops growing. Yeah, we keep getting this, eh? Just some few leaves here and there. Scrap it on that one and a few plants on the other one. Oh, wow. This is great. This is much better than the last couple of years growing peas. I get far more peas. Okay, now you're doing it too. What is that? Well, do we have any beans today? We have a lot of bean flowering. Oh, yes, we do. Got a couple of beans back here. Sorry. Okay. Not producing enough to can yet. All right. Our onion. Right next to the dill field. No, the dill row. All that other dill still hanging. Still hanging to dry. Wow. So many onions. Oh, yeah, I've dug some of these up and cooked with them. Fresh kale is coming along pretty slow this year though. So if you'll see here, we have a bunch of steaks in with our zucchini. So I've staked these in to help move the base up and over. Keep them from spreading out into the carrots. We have now a lot of nice little flowers there. Let's go look on the progress for our first zucchini. I had a look last night. And we're still doing fine. Let's look at the zucchini. Oh, it's like it hasn't grown much at all. Well, and then of course we have, like there's one down there growing, but will it grow? What is going on? And you can see here how the plant is being held up with the stake. Makes it easier to see the zucchini, and again, keeps them in the box. All the stakes. Okay. In our squash box. Wow. This leaf keeps growing. It's going to be bigger than my tire on my car. How we doing down there? Are we getting zucchinis? Like, they're not zucchini, sorry, squash. I get nervous when I see them turn yellow like that. I mean, if it's yellow, then it might be a spaghetti squash. But they're all just eagerly following their genetic programming. Oh, we got a vine here. Oh, yeah. Everyone is vining. We going the right way? Going the wrong way. Well, there's no wrong way, really. As long as you make it to the sides, not over the side. And our other box. Yeah, they're all making their way. Especially this one here. Okay, we'll help you. Okay. Yeah, they want to escape, but they cannot. All right, let's go in the front and have a look at Butch. Finally got the live cam streaming on the garden channel. You know, you go to live stream on YouTube and they say, oh, okay, now we know you want a live stream. You gotta wait 24 hours. All right, well, let's go look at Butch. Yes, the creepy little weird looking. What is it? What they call chicks and peas? Our lavender. Our little lavender plant, along with the other lavender plants. And here we are with the giant sunflower. And these little bugs here, I can see him right here now. Where is he? No. I've seen that little beetle on there on the plant. That's the kind that were in the garden in the back last year, attacking the squash flowers, reducing the amount of fruit. Well, the birds didn't come by for bread. I'll throw some fresh bread out there today. And yeah, pumpkin plant soon fine. Another squash there. And Butch here. Butch is doing just fine. Just need some heat. Need some nice heat today to make everything grow. Okay, you're still free. And you're still coming along. All right. And Seymour's doing good. All right, let's go look at our bird shit berry bush. Wow. I gotta come out here and pick again. Every 12 hours. Just a lot of berries. No, not this one. Well, I have 1.1 plus kilograms masticating right now with some maple syrup. So we gotta make another third batch of jam today. Another busy day in the garden. All right, we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.